Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to find one string within the another string inside the Python. So how we can do it? First of all, we have to define a variable. So what is a variable? You can write anything here in the window, like if we want to write ist, that is first, it is our variable. If we use to write first 0 or first I or first a, still it is considered as the variable by the Python. And why it is so? Because Python will just consider everything written as a variable. Okay, so ist our first variable, and we have placed these two commas here, and we will just write weather is good here. Now what is weather is good? Obviously it is a string. We all know that what's inside these inverted commas, these quotation type inverted commas, this thing which is inside, it is considered as the string data type. Now all this string must have be inside this istr first. So now all the string is inside this first. Now we will write output, and output is our another variable. We can write just o as well. Okay, if you want to write ot, out, p or anything, okay, we can write. It's not going to affect our program. Now we need to write the name of our variable ist. Now you should have to take care. These are the definitions of the variables, but once the variable is declared, you are supposed to take care of your spellings. First, find is a function. Find will do what? Find will search ist for what? In order to find that either the string, that is like if you want to search for a string is, then this function will help us to find this string within this main string, that is ist. Okay, so we will write print of output. Okay, if it returns 0, it means that if it print output, if it returns 0, means that if it is 0 written on console, then we can say that this string is inside this main string, is the part of the main string. And if it is -1, then it means that it is not the part of main string. So let's run it out. Okay, wait, sorry, this print output will give us the any number. Okay, like 8 is what? It is the index of this string, that is is, because w lies at 0 index, e at 1, a at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I starts from the 8th index. It means that it is right. Okay, so we can say that now we will make our if else condition, that if output is equal to what it is called, is not equal to, yes, wait, if output is not equal to -1. Okay, if output is not equal to -1, then what will happen? I'm explaining to you, just wait for some time. Like string lies inside main string. Okay, now, and colon here also. Now if condition will check that either output is having -1 in it, and if there is -1 inside the output, then we can say that string does not lie. Okay, and if it is not equal to -1, then we can say that string lie inside what's called as the output. Okay, so we can also write one more condition for if. Okay, that if output is output is equal to -1, then we will write string doesn't lies inside main string. Okay, so now we will run it out, and it prints string lies inside main string. Okay, now we will change the string, like if we used to write like Kate inside this thing. Now if we used to run it, then it print out string does not lies inside main string, and -1 is our answer. So whenever this find function will return -1 to this output, we can say string when returns -1, it means that string does not lies inside main string. And is equal to is the comparator operator. If we want to compare two things, then we can write is equal to. So in this way you can find if a string lies inside another string within the Python, then you can follow this procedure. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.